This is Dr. Pradeep Devhate, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. Dear student friends, welcome to video lecture on basicity and synthesis of aryl amines. Let's start with the basicity of aryl amines, or we can say basicity of aromatic amines in comparison to ammonia. In general, aromatic amines are weaker bases than ammonia and aliphatic amines, and it can be explained on the basis of resonance effect, stability of aryl ammonium ions, inductive effect, and finally the effect of substituent present in aryl group. First one is resonance effect. The strength of base depends on the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. Strength of base always depends on the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. More the availability of electrons on nitrogen, more is the strength of that base. In aromatic amines, lone pair of electrons on nitrogen interacts with pi electron density of benzene ring by resonance mechanism. Lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom involves in delocalization over the benzene ring and thus less available for donation to the proton. Because of resonance, nitrogen atom has some positive charge in the contributing structures and tends to repel proton instead of accepting it. So, aromatic amines are weaker bases than ammonia and aliphatic amines. See the resonating structures of aniline. Here, because of resonance, NH2 group acquires little positive charge which repels the proton instead of accepting it. In aniline, only one benzene ring is attached to nitrogen, hence quite less resonance stabilization, and so it becomes somewhat less basic as compared to the other aromatic amines. In case of diphenylamine, where two benzene rings are attached to the nitrogen, the resonance stabilization of the base increases. So, the amine is extremely weak. It is extremely less basic. In case of triphenylamine, this effect is still further. There is much more resonance stabilization and hence triphenylamine is not basic in aqueous solution. See the structures of aniline, then diphenylamine and triphenylamine. More the attachment of benzene rings to the nitrogen, more is the resonance stabilization. Hence, nitrogen acquires more positive charge and repel the proton instead of accepting it. So what happens? Aniline is weak basic, diphenylamine is extremely weak basic, and triphenylamine is almost non-basic in aqueous condition. Second factor related to the basicity of aryl amines is stability of aryl ammonium ion. Basic nature of aromatic amines can be explained on the basis of relative stability of base and its ammonium ion. See the reaction given here with. aniline donate the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen to proton and forms the anilinium ion. That is, when aniline accepts a proton, it becomes anilinium ion. In case of aniline, there is resonance stabilization. Lone pair of electrons interacts with pi electrons of benzene ring. But in case of anilinium ion, the lone pair of electrons is utilized in bonding the proton, and hence that lone pairs are not available for interacting with pi electrons of the benzene ring, and so there is no resonance stabilization in anilinium ion. Thus, stability of aniline is more as compared to the anilinium ion, and hence in equilibrium mixture concentration of anilinium ion is less. Now consider the next reaction given here with, in which methylamine, that is aliphatic amine, donates a lone pair of electrons to the proton and it forms the methyl ammonium ions. In case of aliphatic amines, there is no resonance stabilization either in base, that is reactant, or in ammonium ion, that is product, and hence we can say aniline is weaker base than aliphatic amines as well as the ammonia. Overall, we can say aryl ammonium ion, that is anilinium ion, is less stable than aromatic amines, that is aniline, and hence aromatic amines, that is aniline, is less basic. The third factor is the inductive effect. Inductive effect also explains the lower basicity of aromatic amines. Less the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, less is the basicity. Less the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, less is the basicity. The electron withdrawing effect of phenyl ring decreases the electron density on nitrogen, and that is by minus I effect, and makes the lone pair of electrons less available for sharing with proton. Also, anilinium ion formed from the aniline get destabilized due to increase in positive charge by minus I effect of phenyl ring. Thus, because of minus I effect, there is decrease in electron density on nitrogen present in aniline, and also destabilization of anilinium ion, and hence aniline is less basic. Carbon atoms of phenyl group are sp2 hybridized. They are more electronegative and so more electron withdrawing than sp3 hybridized carbon atoms of alkyl groups. Here carbon atoms of phenyl group are sp2 hybridized. They are more electronegative and so more electron withdrawing as compared to the sp3 hybridized carbon atoms of alkyl group. And thus, electron density on nitrogen in aromatic amines is less as compared to the nitrogen in ammonia as well as the aliphatic amines. And so, aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia as well as the aliphatic amines. Last factor related to the basicity of aryl amines is effect of substituent in aryl group. Effect of substituent in aryl group. Let's see first for the ring substituted aromatic amines. Electron withdrawing group like NO2, SO3H, then COOH and X, that is halogens, present in the ring further decreases the basic character of aromatic amines, and it is by pulling electron towards its electron withdrawing group present in the ring further decreases the basic character of aromatic amines by pulling the electron towards itself. Nitroanilines are weaker than the aniline. See the structures and order of basicity given here. Aniline is most basic, followed by M-nitroaniline, orthonitroaniline, and finally paranitroaniline, which is having least basicity. If electron releasing groups are present, if electron releasing groups, that is CH3, OCH3, are present in the ring, it increases the basic character of aromatic amines, and it is by donating the electrons to the nitrogen. Electron releasing group increases the basicity of aromatic amines by donating electrons to the nitrogen. Here, paratolidine is more basic than aniline. Also, paramethoxyaniline is more basic than aniline. See the structures and order of basicity. Aniline least basic, paramethoxyaniline quite basic, paratolidine most basic. Paratolidine and paramethoxyaniline are more basic than the aniline. Overall, we can say electron withdrawing groups present in the ring decreases the basicity of aromatic amines. Electron withdrawing groups present in the ring decreases the basicity of aromatic amines, while electron donating group present in the ring increases the basicity of that amines. Now, let's discuss about the unsubstituted aromatic amines. Electron releasing groups like CH3, C2H5, that is methyl, ethyl, attached to nitrogen increases the basic character of aromatic amines, that is by pushing electron towards the nitrogen atom. Here, electron releasing group attached to nitrogen increases the basic character of aromatic amines by pushing electron towards the nitrogen atom. So, mono and dimethyl are stronger than the aniline. Here, mono and dimethyl are always stronger than the aniline. See the structures and order of basicity. Aniline is least basic, and methylaniline is quite more basic, whereas N and dimethylaniline it is most basic aromatic amine. Okay. Now switch over to the synthesis of arylamines. Specifically, the most common one, that is the aniline. Aniline, we may call it as a phenylamine, aminobenzene, or the benzenamine. The names for the aniline are phenylamine, we may call it as a aminobenzene, or the benzenamine. This aniline is having the structure with NH2 group attached to the benzene ring, that is C6H5NH2. As far as the properties of aniline is concerned, aniline is colorless oily liquid when it is freshly prepared, but it becomes pale yellow and then rapidly darkens on exposure to the light or air owing to the oxidation. Here, aniline is colorless oily liquid if it is the freshly prepared one, but it becomes pale yellow and then it converted to the brownish colored, darken colored oil, and that is because of the exposure to the light or the air. Because when aniline get exposed to the light or the air, it undergoes the oxidation, and that's why it becomes somewhat pale yellow and then after it becomes dark one. It is steam volatile, toxic. Its prolonged inhalation may cause the death. As far as the solubility is concerned, it is slightly soluble in water, that is about 3%, but readily soluble in solvents like ethanol, benzene, ether, chloroform, etc. Molecular formula of aniline is C6H7N. Its boiling point 184 degrees centigrade and odor is unpleasant one. These are the some properties of aniline. Let's see the synthesis of aniline. First one, by reduction of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene can be reduced to aniline by using reducing agents like zinc, tin, iron along with concentrated HCl. Here we have to use the reducing agents like zinc, tin, iron. These are the metals along with concentrated HCl. Aniline can also be prepared by reduction of nitrobenzene using hydrogen gas in presence of metal catalyst like Ni, Pd, Pt, or finely divided copper metal on silica as a catalyst. It can also be prepared using the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. These are some of the reagents by using we may perform the reduction of nitrobenzene so as to prepare the aniline. See the reaction given here with. On reduction, NO2 group, that is nitro group present in nitroaniline gets converted to the NH2, and in this way nitrobenzene gets converted to the aniline. Next one is laboratory method of preparation of aniline. In laboratory, nitrobenzene is reduced with tin and concentrated HCl at about 100 degrees centigrade to give acid salt, that is aniline hydrochloride, which then on treatment with NaOH gives aniline. See the reaction. First, 2 moles of nitrobenzene reacts with 3 moles of tin and about 14 moles of concentrated HCl to give 2 moles of aniline hydrochloride. Of course, with the elimination of 3 moles of SnCl4 and 4 moles of water. This aniline hydrochloride then on decomposition using sodium hydroxide solution gives aniline with removal of sodium chloride and water. Dear student friends, let's stop here. This is all about the basicity and synthesis of aril amines.